Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep JK door hinges. Support the door securely, disconnect the battery negative, and label wiring before unbolting hinges. Work on flat ground with plenty of light, wear gloves, and keep fasteners organized. Check hinge mounting surfaces for rust and clean them with a wire brush. Test fit new hinges and verify alignment before final torque to prevent door sag. Start by opening the door and supporting it with a jack or a helper to avoid sudden drops. Remove the hinge bolts from the door, then from the body, keeping each bolt in a labeled bag. Clean the hinge mounting areas and check for any damaged thread or rust that needs treatment. If bolts are seized, apply penetrating oil and let it soak before attempting removal with proper sockets to avoid rounding heads. Place new hinges into position and install bolts finger tight so you can adjust alignment. Close the door slowly to check fit, then reopen and torque bolts to manufacturer specifications while a helper holds the door. Reconnect wiring and verify latches and seals line up properly. Make small adjustments as needed and recheck after each tweak. Finish by cleaning the area and applying rust preventive spray to prolong hinge life and maintain smooth opening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.